Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Sweet Dreams on keyboard. Start by finding middle C on your keyboard. The main melody for Sweet Dreams is played with your right hand, primarily using notes around this central point. We'll focus on the iconic riff, which is quite repetitive and easy to pick up. Begin slowly, ensuring each note is clear and distinct. This foundational practice will build your muscle memory for the song. For the right hand, the core melody revolves around 4 key notes: G, E, C, and A. You'll start with the G note just below middle C. From there, you'll play E, then C, and finally A. This 4-note sequence forms the instantly recognizable Sweet Dreams riff. Practice repeating this pattern until it feels natural and smooth under your fingers. Now, let's introduce the left hand to provide a foundational bass line. You'll be playing simple chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These chords will align with the right hand melody. Try to play the left hand chord simultaneously with the first note of each right hand phrase. This coordination is crucial for the song's full sound. To master Sweet Dreams, practice each hand independently until you're confident. Then, slowly combine both hands, focusing on synchronization. Don't rush. Gradually increase your speed as your accuracy improves. Listening to the original track will help you internalize the rhythm and overall feel, making your performance more authentic and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.